Today we're gonna have a preview tour of this brand new house and lot here in Laguna Bel Air for Santa Rosa, Laguna. This property sits in the lot area of 165 square meters, 200 square meters floor area. Tara, pasukin na natin. So, pagpasok natin, on our right side will be our 2 carport vehicle. And then on the other side of this property is your spacious landscaping or yung pwesto natin for our landscape garden. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay. As we enter, as you can see, pagpasok natin, we will be greeted by our open space layout. And ang maganda dito, ang ganda ng pasok ng ating natural light. You can see that you have your cove lighting and your chandelier. We move a little bit forward here. This is your dining area. You can place your 6-seater or 8-seater dining table. Across that side is your kitchen area. So meron na tayong granite countertop. You have your chandelier, meron na rin tayong double sink, and meron tayong cooktop and ang ating oven. Now, on this side also is your ground floor bedroom, and at the back, meron tayong maid's room. Akita tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. So dito tayo sa ating master's bedroom. But before that, on that side will be your family area and meron tayong dalawang bedroom. Pagpasok natin, as you can see, yung ating master's bedroom is just the right size. Kasya ang ating king size or queen size bed. And you have your own balcony. Now, on the other side will be your walk-in closet. Just enough space for your clothes. And then, this is your ensuite toilet and bath. Meron na tayong shower enclosure. You have your countertop for your sink. Meron ka ng mirror and then meron ka ng toilet. If you would like to see the full tour, go on our YouTube channel.